Hi everyone, it's Kathy here, and I wanted to share something that I'm really excited about. It's my new Calm and Clear workshop series. If you've been feeling stretched thin lately, like you're juggling so much that even the smallest thing can just tip you over the edge, then this is for you. And I know that feeling all too well because lately I've been navigating a lot of family responsibilities, house renovations, business projects, and there have been moments for me where I've hit overwhelm and stress and complete emotional overload. And what's helped me to find my way back to feeling a lot more balanced is coming back to my breath, using simple nervous system reset practices and somatic tools, energy techniques, and various different visualizations to help me to calm my body, clear my mind, and reconnect with my center. And that's exactly why I created this Calm and Clear series. It's about creating space to breathe, to rest, to pause, to reset so that you can feel grounded and calm again. And that's no matter what life throws at you. I've found that the more that I've been doing this, the more capacity I have, the more resilient I am. So I'm able to hold even more and not get kind of thrown off center by it. So these are really powerful practices. So our first session is coming up on Tuesday, the 21st of October online at 7:30 UK time in the evening for 75 minutes, and it's called From Chaos to Calm. So I'm going to be teaching you ways to unwind your mind and body, just soothe that nervous system and help you to find your way back to balance, even in the midst of life's busyness. In November, we'll be focusing on releasing what no longer serves you and making space for the vision of what you want to create in your life in 2026. And in December's class, as the workload and expectations of Christmas just start to pile up, I'm going to be sharing practical tools to stay calm, centered, and joyful so that you can actually enjoy the season rather than just survive it. So, as I said, each session is 75 minutes. It's online and you can pay what you want to pay from 10 to 20 pounds. So it's accessible to everybody and it should be quite easy to fit into your schedule. Recordings will be available if you can't join us live. So if you're ready to bring more calm and clarity and ease into your days, then I'd love you to join me. You can find a link to book in the comments below.